Today's Pet Advice segment is sponsored by University Veterinary Care Center. Well, this week is all about the cats. Dr. Amy Guernsey with University Veterinary Care Center is here now. Good morning.
Good morning.
Well, last time we talked about dogs and their potty problems.
Yes.
Today it is the feline. So how might those urinary issues differ in cats from dogs?
Cats can have a lot of the same problems dogs can. We look at them for urinary tract infections. They certainly can get certain kinds of cancers, that kind of thing. But I will say, as a veterinarian, when I have a cat coming to me for urinary problems, one of the main things that we are trying to address is sometimes there's a behavioral component.
Okay, well, I've told you before that my cat Charlie likes to pee on my husband's clothing and the kids' clothing as well.
Super fun.
Oh yeah, it doesn't matter if it's a laundry basket of clean clothes or maybe it's some on the floor.
Of course.
But not mine. And I think I'm kind of his person. Is he marking his territory?
There's certainly the potential for that. Cats can be very particular about their environment. I certainly have patients that if there's another cat, even if that cat is outdoors, we can have urinary problems with them marking inside the house. So there's definitely that component to it sometimes.
Well, how can we encourage normal litter box behavior?
Think of cats as being very, very particular people. I know if I go to a gas station and it is disgusting, I don't want to use the restroom.
Yeah.
So making sure that those litter boxes are cleaned very, very regularly. For some cats, that means daily. Others you can get away with a couple times a week. There's a general philosophy of N+1. So however many cats you have one more litter box than you do cats.
Oh.
And preferably in different parts of the house, not all in the same room, if that can be achieved. There are some pheromone things that can be used, like Feel Away, that kind of encourage normal litter box usage. And then, of course, litter preference. Some cats don't like the pelleted litter. Some prefer the dust-free or the clumping. So trial and error sometimes goes a long way.
So what if those options aren't working?
So certainly if you are seeing, I've tried a few things and it's not working, going to your vet and making sure a health reason is not part of it. Cats can get stressed, and when they get stressed, their bladder gets inflamed, so simple anti-inflammatories are sometimes helpful. Antibiotics are sometimes necessary, and if all of the usual suspects are ruled out, behavior modification drugs can be done. I do want to emphasize, though, if you ever see your cat sitting in a litter box straining or yowling and acting like they can't urinate, that's a medical emergency. We do see urinary blockages far more often in cats than we do dogs.
Oh, yeah, and unfortunately they can't tell us how they're feeling and what's going on.
They try.
Yeah, they do. Yeah. All right, Dr. Guernsey, thank you for being here with us today. And if you'd like more information about University Veterinary Care Center, just head over to universityvetcare.com.